Another finals run, but for Michelle Gumabao, it never feels the same. The Creamline Coal Smashers are back on the big stage, clinching their 15th finals appearance in the PBL after taking down Farm Fresh Foxies in the semifinals. For Gumabao, the moment is rooted in gratitude but also a sense of unfinished business.
We were very thankful sa lahat ng fans. Lagi sila nandyan para sa amin.
Despite the team's dynasty, she emphasized that every finals run comes with a different story.
Kakaiba rin sa feeling. Every season may panibagong story.
The Coal Smashers are looking to bounce back after a dominant 2024 Grand Slam was followed by a titleless 2025 where they lost the All-Filipino crown to Petrogas. The 10-time champions now face a retooled and informed Signal in this year's finals.
Sana talaga matutunan namin kung anong galaw yung gagalaw namin, ma-practice namin mabuti. Very determined talaga yung team. So back to training talaga kami and back to working hard, pag-aaralan mabuti. Of course, starting from the coaches to all the players kung ano yung magiging game plan namin for the finals. Of course, lagi naman andyan talaga yung best game, andyan din talaga yung passion namin.
The best of 3 PBL All-Filipino Championship Series between Creamline and Signal fires off Tuesday at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Reporting for the scorecard, I am Zeus Valdez, Billionaire News Channel.